I was walking down Western Road.
Oh,
There's this
right.
bloke, right, and he's walking towards me. And he had a mobile phone in his hands, and he's looking at it, you know, like they do.
Oh, face in it, yeah.
And I'm going, hello. And he's walking towards me, and he's swaying. So I'm going left, fucking right, left, fucking right. I thought, hang on, I'm going to hit him. And I suddenly shout out, oi, cunt! And he looked up, and he gave me a filthy look. Well, fucking cunt.
All right.
I got an idea.
Yeah, what?
I'm going to dig a big fucking hole
Oh, for goodness
in Western Road.
Oh, yeah.
And the cunts who are on their mobile phones, you know, looking at their fucking daughters, fucking friends, fucking Facebook, summer, photo shots.
No, they're not.
Well, because they're so busy, they're going to fall down this fucking hole. Oh, fucking duck it. And then I'm going to charge them 50 grand to get out.
Well, good
Right?
idea.
And when they get out, I'm going to go, you're a fucking cunt.
Oscar, Oscar, you're losing it, Oscar.
Fucking mummy on the ass.
Oscar.
Fucking cucumber.
Calm down. Oscar, don't you call me a cunt. Oscar, come here.
Hello.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?